Hello, friends. I have a special unboxing today. I have the Archer and Olive Flourish Self Care Box for 2026. So let's unbox it together. Welcome back to my channel. I am Natalie of Coquette Natalie, and I wanted to share with you my recent purchase with Archer and Olive. I was able to pick up the Archer and Olive self-care box called Flourish for 2026, and I also picked up the new Monograph pens that were part of the new Everyday collection. So I'm going to unbox it for you. This video is actually a voiceover in the first part because for some reason my mic wasn't working, but it ended up working for the latter half. So just bear with me on here. Before I open up the box, I wanted to let you know I am an Archer and Olive affiliate, and I'm a huge fan of their products. And this self-care box is, you can use my discount, Natalie 10 off, to get 10% off this box and anything else you wanted to add from Archer and Olive as well. This code does not work on subscription boxes, so it's really cool that it does work on this box. This box was sent in a larger box, so it's really nice that it was kept pristine. I love the design on the box. It's just absolutely beautiful with this mustardy yellow green color. And then once you open up inside, it's like boxes within boxes. So it's just so fun to take everything out, and we'll open everything up together. I was able to take off the plastic off camera, and that didn't matter anyway because the noise wouldn't have mattered because the microphone didn't work. And you can see even inside the box, everything is packaged well in their own boxes. So I really enjoy the variety of packaging and design that they put into their products. The first box I'm going to open is the writing set, and the box is really beautiful. I love this green, I love this print. And when you open up the box inside, you find two pens, and one is actually a pen. It's a .5 ballpoint pen, and the other is a mechanical pencil, which is really great because I actually didn't realize, but I do need to have like pencils handy sometimes, and this is just like a pretty way to have a writing set together. I do like that the pens, they're really well weighted. They're not too heavy also. I like that they are just the right amount of weight, and so it does feel a little luxurious. And I'm testing it out in my little pocket-sized Archer and Olive notebook to test out the pens. I wasn't sure if the pen was actually a gel pen or a ballpoint pen, but I did confirm on the website it is a ballpoint pen. I tested out the pen in my notebook and it writes really well. Obviously, the ballpoint pen took a little bit of time to get working, but after that, it's great. It's a cute addition to my desk for spring. Next up, we have the prompt cards, and this was something I was really excited to get. I think someone said in previous boxes they were just loose cards, so I like that this one this year is in this top spiral, like almost like a notepad, and you can flip it through and find which prompt you want to do and write about, as well as an activity that goes along with the prompt. And I feel like, I don't know, as women, self-care is so important, and this kind of this box just means so much to me because I think I've been enjoying my journaling time this year a lot so far, and I've wanted to dive deeper, and I think this will help me get there. And just to find some calm and peace throughout all the chaos of life, and just to help like grow things like inner strength here. There's future vision, small steps, big growth. There's this letter to the future. I mean, it's endless, and there are 20 cards in this set. So it's really nice that it can stand on your desk and remind you to like take care of yourself. Next up in the box is the decorative washi tape. There are 4 rolls. They are varying sizes. I love this one of the bold florals here with the red and orange colors with the black background. It's just so beautiful. I'm going to swatch this for you in my notebook, and then this is where my video sound comes back, so you can hear me talk now for real. Very bold. So this is the washi tape here. So cute. And then, okay, so let's take a look at the next set. This is the stamp set. Let me move this aside. How pretty is this box? This would be beautiful, like as a sticker too. Okay, so let's open up the stamp set. Sort of one of the reasons I really wanted this box is for the stamp set. And it has the Legacy Cypress Green ink. Where's my scissors? Let's open this up. So it's just the stamp pad here. Okay, finally, the notebook. This box is so beautiful. I love it. Okay, so let's open this up. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. So gorgeous. Look at this beautiful notebook. I love the black with the florals. And then inside you have a gold foil interior with the leaves. And this is just a dock grid notebook interior with the ribbons in black as well. Wow, very, very stunning. I love the ribbons here. This is great for journaling. And then you have a pocket back here and then your pen loop, which is great for your pens. But wow, this is really stunning. I don't know how they keep doing like they do, but it's just so pretty. You can see the gold foil on here. And they keep hitting all these designs out of the park. I'm just so impressed. So pretty. Like I want to collect these all and have them on, like having them on the shelf here. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so this is everything here. Let me lay everything out. Look how that looks together with the washi tape. It's so gorgeous. Like you really just can't deny, like, and then the pens. Oh my goodness, I'm like so excited. I want to go and like, I want to do a project now. Okay, that's cute. Okay, so this is everything inside the box for the Flourish self-care box for 2026. It retails for $71, but you get 10% off with my code Natalie10 off. Okay, so let's move this aside and I will share with you, there is something else I picked up from the Everyday collection. They keep adding some new things in there and I'm kind of new to Archer and Olive, so I like to pick it up because they are really good with their pens. And I like their calligraph and I like their acrylograph pens. And this was a set of 8. Basically, they're like, they're just black markers. And the size of this is nice too, because it's not like a full tall pen size. Let me try and find, this is like a Sharpie S Pen. It's like a little smaller. You can see it's like a little bit shorter. I mean, not that much, it's still full pen. But I like that there are all the line widths here. Let's try this out. I like it for outlining and I just wanted to test these out. Okay, that's nice. And let's try it out in my little book here. And these are, well, I just lost all the numbers on here. Let's do an order. Oh, there's one brush. That's cool. You get 9. So let's start with 003. Oh, this is very thin. I should use a different monograph. So that's nice and very, very thin. 003. This is 005. I put 0.5, so that's 003. Let me fix that really quick. This is 005. Okay. And here's 01. That's nice. Okay, I start to prefer, just to feel how I write, 01. Like these are very thin. If you like that, that works well. 03. Ooh, it gets darker. I like that too. 01 is definitely thinner. This is 05. You can see how the line gets thicker. Here is 07. 09. Oh, wow. And this is brush. Okay, that's good enough. Sorry about that. It's a little bit flimsy. Just wanted to show how it could go. So these are the Arch and Olive Monograph pens. It's $21 for the set, but again, with my discount, you can get 10% off these. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. This was the Flourish self-care box for 2026 and the Monograph Studio set of 8 black pens. Definitely check out everything on the Arch and Olive site. The new stuff for spring is just simply gorgeous, and you can get 10% off with my code Natalie10off, excluding subscription kits and so forth. So definitely check that out. And if you like planner content like this, if you love stationery, planners, and more, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.